So home prices in Berewick are skyrocketing. In this video, we are going to check out the latest Berewick home sale numbers and community news. So stick around. Most of you know me, but let me introduce myself for those of you who don't. I'm Sir Ashley, your local realtor and neighbor right here in Berewick. So if you want to buy or sell in the area or have any questions about the area, please reach out to me. But before jumping into the numbers, I want to say this. It is amazing that we had 2 community events in this past month. It almost feels like we're back to normal a little bit with seeing neighbors and kids out and about enjoying this beautiful community we have. For those of you who are unaware of what I'm talking about that circus-like event that took place behind the manor house in the field, and also talking about the Tin Kitchen, the food truck that came to Stonehaven at Berewick just yesterday, or Thursday the 24th. And now that we have a new board in place, I am happy and excited that we are having these events in our wonderful community. But I have one request. Can we bring back the basketball hoops and properly use the basketball court? Yes, I'm glad that it's been repurposed, but I think it's time that we bring back the basketball hoops. I hear the argument against not having them as they brought in people that didn't live in our community and those people caused a disturbance, but it is my understanding that those events occurred over 10 years ago. It's time. It's been time to revisit the basketball hoops. Let's look at Chapel Cove as an example. Their community is right up Shopton Road, and it's a large community as well, and they have several amenities just like ours, but they have tennis courts, pickleball courts, and yes, basketball courts with basketball hoops. And they have all the above without any chaos, and I believe we should follow their lead. All right, now let's get into the numbers and this month's housing update. Last month, 12 homes sold right here in Berewick, and that's one more than April of 2021. And that's 6 more homes than May of last year. But you really can't compare this year's numbers to last year's numbers for obvious reasons. The highest home sale in our community was $440,000, and the lowest was $337,000, with the average sale price being just under $393,000. Now, the average price per square foot was just under $144, and that's actually slightly down from a month ago. But neighbors, what I am really excited about is that we broke another record concerning prices. The highest sale this past month was $440,000. It was a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, just over 3,100 square feet. And if things go as planned, we will be setting another record concerning price next month. So please subscribe to the channel so you can be kept up to date regarding that. Now, our community is quite unique in that we have homes that were built in 2006 all the way to 2017. And the average age of the homes that sold last month was 9 years old. So it's not just the newer homes that are selling in our community, but if you want to get top dollar for your property and it's one of the older homes, you have to make sure your systems are updated or your roof has been replaced within the past 5 years. Now moving on. There are currently 2 homes that is actively on the market for sale, and there's another 6 homes that are currently under contract right here in Berewick. All right, now I've shared with you what is going on in our neighborhood and our community, but if you're interested in real estate news, and in particular what's going on in Charlotte, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Presently, we have almost 3,500 amazing subscribers, so come on and join us. If you have any questions about the area or need a local professional to help you buy or sell, please reach out to my team and I. We will definitely help you achieve your real estate goals. I'm Sir Ashley, your Berewick neighbor and realtor. Talk soon.